So we're going to actually be modifying one of these cell styles that we created. So we're going to click on an empty cell. And we are going to click on the cell style button. And then we're going to select our title style. And we do want to modify this. So let's right click on it and choose modify. Now, if you remember for this one, we didn't actually go into format when we created it, but we certainly can go into format to change it. So we're going to click on format. And we're going to go into font, and they would like Candera. And then we're going to go into alignment. And they would like this centered vertically. So right now it's at the bottom, and I'm going to change it to vertical center. And then we're going to go into fill. And instead of the lovely shade of green, they would like light blue. So this is the shade of blue they would like. 5th column, 3rd row. And those are the changes we are going to make. So I'm going to click OK. Now when I click OK, any cell that has this style applied should pick up the change. And you could see that here, and we should see it on the other sheets. And we're also going to modify the subtitle style. So again, make sure you're on an empty cell. And instead of clicking on more, since we can see it, we're just going to right click and modify this. And we're going to go into format. And now they would like the font to be Calibri. And we're going to go into fill. Select that. Going to go into fill. And what they would like is a dark blue fill. So it's the very last row in our 5th column. And we're going to click OK. And now when we click OK again, you will immediately see the change. So not only can you modify your own custom styles, but you can modify the styles that come with Excel. So we're going to modify that 20% accent 3 style. So again, make sure you're on an empty cell. And we're going to right click on 20% accent 3 and modify. And we're going to go into format. Going to go into fill. And what we want is a light blue fill instead of the gray fill. And we're going to click OK. And once we click OK, you will see that those shaded lines now will display with that light blue color. Okay, we can double check that in the various sheets. And we're going to rename sheet 1. We're going to call it weekly payroll. And we're going to rename sheet 2. And we are going to call it invoices. And we are going to rename sheet 3. And we are going to call that one overdue accounts. And we can apply a different color to each one of these, and you can pick your colors. I think I'm going to stick with the theme here, which seems to be shades of blue. So make the first one blue-gray. And make the second one a regular blue. a very bright blue for the third one. Okay, so you're going to recolor, and you pick the colors. And then we're going to go ahead and save all of our changes.